Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to batch edit continuous dimensions. Let's try it together. Enter the interior design. Select Drawings, Construction Drawings. Click Settings, Preferences in the upper right corner. Switch the dimension chain. Editing option to batch edit. Regenerate continuous dimensions. Click Continuous Dimensions to move them as a whole. The continuous dimensions support overall editing in the right panel, including font size, color, border, dimension lines, etc. When the annotated object is hidden, the continuous dimensions as a whole will not break. You can split the overall dimensions into independent dimensions. With one click, select Dimensions, click Split in the floating bar. The dimensions will return to their independent states. You can also click the red dot or line on the annotated object. Then click Split in the floating bar. The dimensions will break from the point or line position into two independent overall dimensions. That's all. Thanks for watching.